Okay, today we'll be opening up this ChampXL oil filter number PH2867XL and this FVP oil filter number R7356XL. And you can get these filters at Rock Auto, but I got this FVP oil filter for free. Yep, a very generous viewer whose name is Juan from Southern California sent me this FVP oil filter. Thanks, Juan. These oil filters fit Juan's 2000 Nissan Altima. Yep, the one with a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, dual overhead cam engine. And these two filters are going to duke it out. Could get ugly, folks. And when the dust clears, we'll see who the winner is. So let's get started. This is a cord. You got a really good silicone, be nice and tight. Get your inlet here, filtration. Okay, let's start with the Champ. We'll start with the box. Synthetic oil filter. We look over here. See product for country of origin. Champion Laboratories Inc. 99% efficiency. And that's about all the important information on this box. Date code 072622AB. Product of USA. This is a sticker. And this Champ filter has 13 inlet holes. Nylon center core, bypass valve down below, and about 5 grooves there for threads, a nitro rubber gasket here, which comes out pretty easy. It's pretty thick though. And let's look at the FVP oil filter. So we got extended life, 10,000 mile protection, and that's really all the important information on this box also. Alright, so let's open it up, see what it looks like. The date code, you can hardly see it, but it says 11/30/20 and E1, made in USA. And this also has a sticker. And we have 8 inlet holes. Looks to be a silicone A drain back valve, metal core with louvers, and the bypass valve is right up here at the base end. Nitro rubber gasket. It's pretty thick. Yeah, both filters are about the same size. See how the gaskets compare. The Champ looks like it sticks out a little more. It's just got to be pushed back in. But now look at the inlet holes. A lot more inlet holes on the Champ. Okay, let's take these two filters, open them up, see what they look like inside. Be right back. Okay, here they are cut open. Let's get their weights. Champ weighs 176.2 grams. The FVP weighs 211.4 grams. Let's take a look at the gaskets. I'll put the measurement up on the screen. The Champ's a little bit thinner. And base plates. FVP 80 grams. Champ 78.3 grams. Take a look at these up close. And the Champ's got a lot more inlet holes. The grooves there look pretty much the same. Yeah. I mean, they're both nice base plates. Not wrong with them. And drain back valves. FVP has a silicone A drain back valve. They both cover the inlet holes nice. Okay, and let's talk about this bypass valve on the FVP. Has one of these guys. These are nice. Base end bypass valve. So when the oil gets, if the filter gets clogged or whatever, oil would go through here, push down on it, and come out here, go out your outlet hole. Pretty cool. Okay, filter elements. FVP 50.6 grams. The Champ filter 36.65 grams. And let's take a look at the Champ filter. Got a glued seam right here, metal end caps, and then nicely spaced. It's clean. And this filter has 53 pleats. It's a synthetic blend media, And I believe the micron rating is 99% at particles above 30 microns. Okay, and the FVP filter, it's got a inside seam right here. It's glued inside seam probably. And I counted 42 pleats. So it's got 11 less pleats than the Champ. And this is a synthetic blend media, but I don't have no micron rating for it. Got metal end caps. Nice and clean. So that looks good. Okay, so the FVP has coil spring. Pretty stiff. And Champ has this stamped leaf spring bypass valve. Okay, the cans. FVP 42.7 grams. Champ 43.1 gram. And these guys are pretty much the same thickness. It's getting like 0.42. Oh, 0.44 now. I don't know, I can't. Sometimes the lip here obstructs this thing, so let's see about this one. At 0.42, yeah. They're both about the same. And the filter elements, you know, I'm gonna measure these a little differently because look at the difference on the end cap. So I think I'm gonna measure the whole filter this way and just subtract 1/10 of an inch. So I'll call that 2.51. And I'll call this 1.9 inches wide. Okay, there's a little bit of a difference here between these two. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say the Supertech's gonna have more filter media. What do you think? All right, be right back. Okay, here they are both stretched out. And the Champ filter is 36.5 inches long. And the FVP filter is 37 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness on these guys. The Champ oil filter, 0.86 millimeters thick. And the FVP oil filter is 1.13 millimeters thick. This is the filtering side, back side. And looking underneath the microscope, I would say they both would do a good job filtering. The Champ might actually do a little bit better. Let's take a look at that picture. So they both look like they'd probably do a pretty equal job of filtering. But you get about 19 square inches of more filter media with the Champ filter. And let's take a look at the rest of the filter. So the gaskets, the FVP is a little bit thicker. Both fine gaskets though. The anti-drain back valves you got to give to the FVP just because it's a silicone. But the base plate I would probably give to the Champ just because it has more inlet holes. Looks like it would spread out better. And you got louvers versus nylon cage. We'll take a look at those louvers in a second. And you got this kind of bypass valve on the Champ. And you got this bypass valve on the FVP with a coil spring. And the cans, I'd give them a tie. They're both about the same thickness. So let's take a look at these louvers. Alright, you can see they're opened up. Yeah, they're all nice. So what do you guys think about these two filters? And again, I want to thank Juan for sending me this FVP oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care. The Supertech filter media weighs 11.3 grams. The FVP filter media weighs 8.1 gram.